Okay. If you've watched this collective video, this is exactly how we write music. It's a bunch of yelling and screaming, hey, I have this, I have this, I have this.
And I changed that.
That man sucks ass!
Okay. Mostly what happens, the guitar players, because he's a drummer but he's also plays guitar, they come us with a shell, and since we don't write stuff, I make it better. I'm more of a...
Salt and pepper.
Yeah.
What would you say?
What?
Organize it.
Yeah, we
all
they come with a shell, and then we yell and scream initially, hey, I like this part, I don't like this part, until we get the first part. Then we all learn it parts, and then we start all twisting, and I add my stuff, and everything comes together. And like on Love and Warships, Studio Count, awesome song, things will fall together really quick. And everyone will be happy, and everything will be awesome.
Sometimes they come really, really fast.
Really
it
slow.
really flows.
Sometimes
when Scott writes stupid ass complex stuff and then bitches at me at Domino's when Rusty makes him change something.
Yes, because
Sorry,
yes,
I had to.
It's fine because
we're used to it.
That's what I do. I tell you if it sucks because I'm good at telling you if it sucks, if it doesn't fit,
or if you don't like it.
If I don't like it, I will tell you if I don't like it. There's songs I don't like that we play, but I play because I like to put them live because I love it entertaining. But anyways, some songs start off really shitty, and I do not want to learn them because they don't sound good. Until eventually, I tear away all the crap of me going, hey Scott, or hey Tom, or
Whoa.
Taylor,
Voldemort.
I don't like those parts, and then we get to a show that I like, and then I'll be, alright guys, and I'll stop bitching and moaning. Because if you can get me going, that's the hardest part. If you can get me going and stop bitching, this song will get learned. Just because I have the biggest mouth. And then after we learn the music, Calvin writes his little pad, does all this music, flows, whatever, and a song is born. And who writes the best songs?
Storm the Skies.